Welcome to my study channel. Our today's topic is CTET previous year's exam and most important one-liner questions and answers of language 1, that is English. Subtopic is role of listening and speaking. So this is our fourth video of English. We have prepared 3 videos earlier. I hope आपने देख ली होंगी. So without wasting time, let's start from question number 1. Question number 1 is making learners aware of the text. The purpose of the listening is a dash. Answer is pre-listening activity. Question number 2 is communicative efficiency in speaking can be developed through dash. Answer is language input, structured output and communicative output. So friends, these are 3 options in the exam. If only one option is there, you have to tick that option. But in case all 3 options are there, then you have to choose the option that is 4th option, all of the above. This question was most important, that is why I have mentioned here. Let's move to next question, that is question number 3. While speaking for the first time, students generally face dash. Answer is inhibition. Question number 4 is dash is best suited for improving the speaking skill of learners. Answer is recitation of poetry. So friends, recitation of poetry is best suited for improving the speaking skills of learners. Question number 5 is dash is not a criteria of listening. Answer is being attentive but avoiding eye contact. So the answer is being attentive but avoiding eye contact. Okay, ये था इसका. उसके बाद में क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज टीचर कैन डेवलप लिसनिंग स्किल्स इन इंग्लिश. व्हाई? आंसर इज creating opportunities for learners to listen to a variety of sources and people and engage in listening activities. Question number 7 is correct habits can be effectively developed through. Answer is pronunciation practice. Correct habits can be effectively developed through pronunciation practice. So question number 8 is dash is an objective of speech in the learning process. Question number 8 is dash is an objective of speech in the learning process. Answer is making learners good in speaking with correct enunciation and stress. Question number 9 is children often feel shy to speak English. What strategy can be adopted by a teacher to overcome this problem? Answer is engage learners in game activity which require verbal interaction. So let's move to next question. Question number 10. A language skill cannot be assessed through a traditional pen paper test or a language skill that cannot be assessed through a traditional pen paper test or. Answer is listening and speaking. So listening and speaking cannot be assessed through pen paper test. Question number 11 is this is most important question. Speaker 1. Can I borrow your pencil, please? Speaker 2. Why not? During this exchange, while assessing students' speaking listening skill, mark oblique यानी कि marks would be detected for. इसमें आंसर है फॉर द सेकंड लिसनर as the response is framed incorrectly, because you know he has given his reply in a question, means in the question mark, that is why this frame is incorrect. So let's move to next question. Question number 12 is, your classmate has just finished reading a book from the library that you want, and you want him oblique her to give it to you. How will you make the request? Answer is, let me have the book now please. Question number 13. A speaking activity can be made more purposeful by dash. So the answer is insisting on correct structure and pronunciation. So this will be the answer of question number 13. A speaking activity can be made more purposeful by insisting on correct structure and pronunciation. Question number 14 is, a speech community refers to a community which dash. Here the answer is, speak the same language. A speech community refers to a community which speaks the same language. Question number 15 is, role play is an activity for promoting dash. Answer is, speaking and listening. So role play is an activity for promoting speaking and listening. Question number 16 is, in order to know the correct pronunciation of English words, the learners should dash. Answer is, know the meaning only. Question number 17. What are the sum of the features of good listening task? Answer is, inexpensive to administer for a large number of students. Let's move to next question. Question number 18. Students always find it difficult to listen and to understand a second language presentation inside or outside their class. This can be helped by. Answer is, practice by using the second language more. जितनी ज़्यादा जो है सेकेंड लैंग्वेज की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उतनी ही ज़्यादा जो है उसमें इम्प्रूवमेंट होगा. So guys, these were the 18 questions of our today's lesson. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get all videos. Thank you. Bye bye.